Modano gives growing businesses clarity and control by replacing disjointed processes with a single, streamlined reporting, budgeting and strategic planning solution. At the heart of this solution is one financial model which live links to Xero and automatically rolls forward each month, providing real-time insights. Your model is customized to reflect your specific business drivers, providing you with a comprehensive income statement, balance sheet and cash flow forecast. Perform ongoing budget variance analysis and use scenario analysis to accurately predict the outcomes of your different potential business strategies. Quickly and easily consolidate multiple entities and business units, then include beautiful custom dashboards and valuations. One model for all stakeholders. Our team is comprised of investment bankers, CAs and CPAs who support thousands of successful businesses around the world. Contact us today to discuss how we can streamline your business success.